Hi, I'm Dr. Khorrami. I'm the owner and medical director of Allurant Medical. I want to tell you a little bit about our treatment approach to male erectile function and female orgasmic function optimization. I'm going to be talking about Alma Duo, which is low-intensity sound wave therapy. And what this treatment does, it improves the function of the organ, the tissue. So in men, the function of the sexual glands, and in women, the sexual function of the female tissue by increasing the blood flow and the sensation. The low-intensity shockwave therapy stimulates the growth of the blood flow in that tissue by giving it a small amount of mechanical stress, and that whole thing starts a cascade of healing that creates better blood flow. Better blood flow means more organ engorgement in terms of erections and orgasmic function. Also better sensation for achieving a better experience. What makes Alma Duo different from other shockwave therapy is that it is entirely pain-free. 3 weeks of treatment, 2 per week, so a total of 6 treatments over a 3-week period, in and out of the office in 15 minutes, and the experience is completely pain-free. There's no downtime, there's no surgery, no scalpel. Also, it allows people to go off their medication if they're taking something like Viagra or Cialis for improvement of sexual function. It allows them to go off it or reduce the dose, and there's no pain. So I urge anyone that is considering improvement in their sexual experience to consider having Alma Duo for their treatment. I have many clients that have really good normal experiences, and they want to explore and see if there's any room for optimization. And in fact, they have people in their 30s that they have good sexual experiences, and they actually have improvement in their function. So anyone that wants to address this issue is a candidate, and I urge you to try it. At Allurant, we treat the patient, the client, comprehensively and look at what it is that is creating possibly an issue in the sexual function experience. So we optimize the hormone balance for patients by looking at their individualized hormone panel and giving them any pellets for bioidentical hormone replacement if that's what's needed. Other modalities that make the treatment of Alma Duo better, if needed, is platelet-rich plasma injections into the penile shaft or into vaginal clitoral complex. That improves and augments what we're trying to do with Duo. There's also vaginal rejuvenation using CO2 laser for vaginal tightening that is available for women. There are many ways that you can treat issues or improve and enhance already existing good function, and I urge you to explore these options at Allurant Medical.